Hi there! Today we're going to show you how to effectively use the Buckley's Wet Roof Pro2 to locate faults in non-conductive roofing surfaces. Let's get started. First, lay the trace wire around the area you want to test. Make sure the trace wire is in contact with the membrane. This is crucial for accurate testing. Next, let's power up. Insert the batteries into the generator with the positive pips facing outward. Then insert batteries into the detector, following the diagram on the battery compartment. Now, connect the 10-meter red lead between the trace wire at one end and the red connector of the generator at the other. Then connect the black lead to a good earth point on the building. And finally, to the black connector on the generator. This ensures a proper circuit for testing. It's time to assemble the poles. Screw the handle midsection and end sections together. You'll create one red pole and one black pole. Next, attach the red and black detector leads to the matching poles and matching sockets on the detector. Keep track of the colors to ensure correct connections. Switch on the generator and detector by pressing their power buttons. Now you're ready to start testing. Stand inside the trace wire and ensure both poles are in contact with the test surface. And the detector will indicate the fault direction using a bar graph. Follow this direction until the graph reverses. It means you've passed the fault. As you close in on the fault, you can bring the poles closer together to narrow down your search and return to the point where the bar graph changes direction. When the poles straddle the fault, the detector confirms its location. Now, mark the fault with your yellow crayon. Eliminate the fault so that it doesn't get picked up again. Do this by looping the trace wire around the fault. Then, continue your testing to ensure all faults are identified. Also included in the kit is a wet sponge electrode, perfect for testing upstands, parapets, and around pipe fittings. And that's it! Using the Wet Roof Pro2, you can quickly and accurately locate and address faults in non-conductive roofing surfaces.